Welcome to 41 Warren Street Penthouse in the heart of Tribeca. Once you get off your private elevator, you have a 3,300 square foot apartment with 1,500 outdoor space over 3 levels. The kitchen is really beautiful. It has a white Corian island with Sub-zero appliances, a coffee maker, and lots of space. The apartment is 4 bedrooms with 3.5 bathrooms. The master suite is fantastic. You have a sauna, theme room. On both sides of the bedroom, you'll have terraces. And the roof deck, the views are spectacular. And you can even see the One World Trade Center building. With all the hustle and bustle going on in New York City, I feel that when you're in this apartment, it's an oasis. You're really going to feel that you're at home in this place.